Flashcards offer a highly effective and engaging way for children to learn Mandarin vocabulary. How do they work? By using a question-answer format, they encourage active recall, where children actively retrieve words from memory, improving retention. Flashcards also incorporate spaced repetition, reviewing words at intervals to reinforce memory and prevent forgetting. They're portable, customizable, and allow for thematic learning, helping children connect words to real-life situations. Short, regular study sessions of 10 to 15 minutes a day maximize effectiveness, and interactive practices like quizzing and saying words aloud enhance retention. Grouping words by themes like food or animals makes learning more relevant. To deepen understanding, children should learn words in context through example sentences and cultural insights. Flashcards are a powerful tool for Mandarin learning, but they should complement a structured course that covers grammar, speaking, and cultural knowledge for a well-rounded language experience. If you are interested in having your kid learn Chinese online, sign up for a free trial class by leaving a comment below, and we will contact you as soon as possible.